A United Nations report suggests that number of Indian citizens living in urban areas will reach 900 million by 2050. Massive building construction is underway to respond to this urbanization. Indian government plans to build 100 smart cities. It is estimated that the total commercial build space would increase fivefold between 2005 to 2030. India has this opportunity to capture savings in these buildings which are going to be built in the future. To meet these goals, a climate responsive building envelope will play a critical role. Building fenestration systems account for 80% of total energy used in commercial building in India. Climatic design is an important aspect of energy efficient building design. But climatic design is not easy to implement. So I propose COFA, Climate Optimized Fenestration Assembly. COFA will be an innovative tool that would integrate climate responsiveness in building design. During the schematic design phase, COFA will be integrated with geographical information system mapping tools. Details about the project's site data can be entered, and COFA will give customized guidelines on sustainable envelope design considering climatic zone, weather parameters and local building codes. This will be a huge intervention towards energy savings during the schematic design phase. During the design development stage, COFA will optimize the annual energy efficiency associated with installing different envelope products like fenestration wall assemblies, diagonal fins, shading devices, and complex fenestration systems. COFA will analyze the impacts of passive design measures of ventilation, shading, and daylighting. During the post-design analysis phase, will provide a COFA rating based on the effectiveness of the design compared to a baseline building. Nationwide enforcement of COFA guidelines will yield annual savings of 2 billion kilowatt hour. The control of greenhouse emissions at such a large scale will have a positive impact throughout the world. The proposal to cost around $1.5 million to develop the COFA software tool, setup of lab facility for research and development, conducting field tests and validation, and financial support for the research team.